Let's talk about DDR4. It's what's in my computer and it's what might be in your computer. DDR4 RAM modules have how many pins? These pins are the little gold contacts on the very bottom. How many are there? SDRAM is synchronous dynamic random access memory. Synchronous dynamic RAM. And this RAM has 168 pins. So this would not be our correct answer. DDR4 does not have 168 pins. SDRAM has 168 pins. Next is 240. 240 is a pretty important number, not for any reason in particular other than the fact that 240 is the same amount of pins that DDR2 and DDR3 have. By the way, DDR means double data rate. So we have double data rate RAM. And 3 is kind of just like the generation. Think of it like that. So DDR2 and DDR3 both have 240 pins. What about 288? Well, if you guess that DDR4, which is after DDR3, has 288, you'd be correct. DDR4 has 288 pins. That would be the answer for this problem. Lastly, we do have 184, and 184 pins is how much DDR, double data rate, RAM, kind of generation 1 has. So let's go in order. 168 pins is SDRAM, synchronous dynamic random access memory. DDR has 184 pins, the last one on our list. DDR2 and DDR3 have 240 pins, the second on our list. And DDR4 has 288 pins. Kind of just have to put those into memory because there's not really a great way to memorize them.